Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue channel, and today we are doing Hi Barbie. When I say we, I hope there's a whole bunch of you out there that have joined in on this challenge, and will leave a message in my comment section that you too have a video today for Hi Barbie. This I do with Dory's Dollies as a challenge each month, and we give a theme and we ask everyone to join in for the fun. This month was Black Friday, and as you can see, my 17-inch Barbie has her little dress on to be in the holiday spirit, her boots because on Black Friday it is often cold and snowing, and she has her hair pulled back in a ponytail for action. If she has to grab a deal before someone else, she doesn't want her hair in the way. Also, the boots might help out if, a fight breaks out. So she is ready to go off and get all the good deals, and she has her little tote ready to put everything in, and she could smack somebody with that if she wanted to.
Boy, this is an aggressive little Black Friday.
Remember how awful it was back in the 1980s when the Cabbage Patch dolls came out? Oh. They had on the news about all the fights over those dolls. But yeah, just for fun. Thank you for watching. Please let me know if you have a video today for Black Friday with your Barbie doll. Barbie doll of any size, we do not care. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
You know, she could have in the bag there snacks and treats for while she's waiting in line, and to help and to hand out to people standing around her as a conversation starter.
There you go. That would be very nice.
Yeah, instead of whacking them.
And she could have poison in it so that they'd stay out of her way for...
All right, I give up.